a video of injecting my own cheeks, and people really like
Yes,
that.
I remember that, in your own lips.
Yep. And I had a couple people reach out to me like, can you show me how you inject cheeks on a patient? And I was like,
Yes.
sure, why not? I'm all about helping, you know, there's great injectors everywhere. So I learn from people, so I want people to learn from me. They think I do something good.
Yeah, of course. Well, and I think it's also helpful for people to see what it
process.
really is, and is
Like
it
kind of how
really
simple.
painful? Yes.
Yeah, and you're like the ideal person because you don't
Oh,
flinch
thank
at
you.
all. So this is perfect.
The best of times through colored glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile. I need a second to take a breath, to keep me guessing with what you said. You're in my head. We're under pressure, we're sinking deep like stormy weather. Can't seem to breathe when you're with me. If you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here. You push me away. If you're gonna choose.
I try to get people, I think you and I have talked about this, Nadia, but I try to get people to understand how important cheeks are, because that's what helps establish that like apple youthfulness.
Yes.
And that's what's going to keep all of this from doing this.
Yeah.
It's going to alleviate here and here, which is
I
beautiful.
know, it's the best part.
Yeah.
So complicated, don't mess it up. Feeling frustrated, it ain't enough to fix a love. If you're gonna break me, I know I won't stay. I don't wanna wait here. You push me away. If you're gonna choose, you don't know what to do. I don't wanna lose you, but don't wanna lose me too.
Beautiful. You can see that natural highlight right up here from that cheekbone. Excellent.
Thank
You did amazing.
Perfect.
You did
Thank you.
amazing.